Welcome students. In this unit, we will cover the basic areas of listening, in which you will identify and learn how to actively improve your daily listening skills, whether you are in your academic institute classroom or discussing the project with your classmates, listening or responding to the lectures. Now, let's see, what is listening? Listening is a critical aspect of communication that involves more than just hearing words. It covers understanding, interpreting, and responding to the message conveyed by the speaker. Here are the key fundamentals of listening in a communication. First of all, you need to be an active listener. It involves giving your full attention to the speaker, maintaining eye contact, nodding to show understanding, mindfulness, and focusing on the speaker's words and the body language. It's keeping a connection of understanding between the speaker and the listener. In the most of the academic courses, active class participation is graded when the teacher marks well to the students, who are the active listeners in the class due to the connection made between the teacher and the students through active listening and throughout the class.